So I'm gonna put you on here. Why you mean mugging Facebook? On my live? Kayla. Let me cut the volume down. Anyway, hey Facebook. My daughter don't want to be on here. I asked her to join in the conversation. So real quick, I just signed a 22-year-old man, young man from Miami, Florida, into the my econ business that I'm in. And this was my advice to him, and then it also sparked the conversation with my daughter. You don't want to add in on, Kayla? Huh? So I told her as I was speaking with him, I said, Lo, thank you. Hey, give me a thumbs up if you can see me, because I'm driving in like a rural area, so I want to make sure my video is connected. But anyway, I told him and her, she's 19, he's 22. So my advice to them was, and I'm going to sign her up, was to study the credit, the smart credit system that we have in my econ, because it teaches things like not only how to read your credit report, it teaches credit utilization, which I explained to her. I said, when I first went to college, one of the first things, you're not even going to hold the phone for me, Kayla? God, you don't hold just like this. You got it right. Be a little friendly. No, okay, I got it. You're not holding it right. So, I told her one of the first things when I arrived on campus was, they, offered me the student discover card, right? And I didn't have any knowledge about credit, any knowledge about credit cards. No, I didn't have any knowledge how to apply for a card, what was the healthy way to use the card. I got it. But I've always been a person who worked hard. My first job was Taco Bell, so I didn't abuse it. But, I paid on time and I paid my bill, but I didn't understand how that was a very, very important part of building my credit at an early age. So I'm signing her up today when we get home. So at her free time, she can study credit, and she, at my age, would be, like I told him at 22 and her at 19, that they both can be ahead of the game, right? Good morning, Gerald. Good morning. I'm going to be in Memphis soon doing these credit and cash flow, conferences. So I'll make sure I connect with you. I think I still have your number. If not, I'll message you on Facebook. And so what she'll be learning is how to read your credit report, how to apply for credit, what is credit utilization. Like I was saying, you have if she get approved for a $500 credit card, I was explaining to her to keep it at 30% and below of the balance, which would be 3 times 5 is 15, which is $150. And I also explained to her that I have her on my good credit lines as an authorized user. So she doesn't even know it yet, but I'm already building a good credit history for her by doing that. Don't add your child as an authorized user on your credit card and you pay late. That only hurt their credit history. And so she will be learning all of those things. I told her I know she's in college. She's in college and that she's busy with her college studies, but it's only 7 modules. And so I want her to learn that at her on her free time. So there she go with her scarf. So that's it. 22-year-old. I'm very excited. Learning about credit and cash flow at an early age. He has a job. Thank you. He has a job, so he will know how to adjust his W-4. And now because he's a business owner, he will have business tax deduction to client. He's a full-time student as well, 22 years old, getting his head straight. And I am so proud of him. I'm so proud of him. So that's it for my young people. Learn how to build your credit. Learn the Credit Smart system. The website is www. To enroll is only $47 to learn this education that you're not taught in school, right? So learn. I'm going to teach it to my daughter, and I'm just excited when I get younger people at an early age to learn these strategies as well. Also, if you need credit restoration help, I restore credit and I give you credit help. I don't fix credit. I don't remove derogatory items. So let me go. I got to make a deal right quick. So I'm on Facebook. Sign up, Money Mindset Moves